Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Today we're here making it count by making a delicious and tasty chicken and rice salad bowl.
Oh yes. And let's talk about some of the wild rice benefits that you may not be aware of.
Well, let's do it. Wild rice is heart healthy in that it contains high levels of fiber, and that's known to clear out the bad cholesterol in our cardiovascular system.
Yes, it is. Wild rice is also a wonderful source of niacin, folate, vitamin E, K, and magnesium.
Wild rice also contains a high protein content, and that is good for increasing muscle mass, proper growth, and the development of our body.
Oh my goodness. Now, rotisserie chicken is also included in this recipe, so let's talk about some of those benefits.
All right, let's do it. Consumption of chicken has been found to be associated with reduced risk of colorectal, bladder, and pancreatic cancers.
Let's get started on this beneficial recipe. I'm very excited about this. Now, in a 4-quart saucepan, you're going to heat your oil over medium heat, okay? Add your shallots, sage, and red pepper flakes. Now, there's a lot of stirring in this, so get your arm ready to work out, okay?
It's a mini exercise.
It really is, though. So, ooh, my arm, I don't know if I can eat. Okay, I'm just kidding. Now, we're gonna cook those for about 3 to 4 minutes, or at least until your shallots are soft, okay? Add in your rice, water, and bring that to a boil. Now, we're gonna reduce our heat to medium, okay? Let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, or until most of the water is absorbed, okay? Remove from the heat, set it to the side, but cover it for 5 minutes before you dig in.
Now let's get started divvying up and putting the rice into our bowls and building our dish.
Let's do it.
We'll divide our rice into 4 bowls. Now, on top of that, we'll put our arugula, rotisserie chicken, dried cranberries, pears, blue cheese, and our toasted sunflower seeds, or if you like, walnuts.
Oh, now to toast sunflower seeds, you're going to sprinkle in an ungreased heavy skillet. We're only going to cook them enough till they're lightly brown, because if you don't, they will burn quickly and you'll be very upset. So, once you're done cooking them, move them to the side, let them cool before you put them on your salad. Add your dressing of your choice and enjoy. Wow. There you have it. More healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes for your family to enjoy, or maybe your friends too.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy and delicious recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.